Question 50. Given this information right here, answer this question. The point estimate of y when x is equal to 0.55 is what? Well, what we need is a regression equation. So I need my value for A and for B. The value for A that we found was negative 0.928, and the value for B that we found was 1.992. Okay, so our regression equation is this right here. Negative 0.928 plus 1.992x. And they said, well, let's find a value for y, or an estimate for y when x is equal to 0.55. Okay, so all I have to do is plug this into this equation here, and they'll give me my answer. Okay, so y hat is equal to negative 0.928 plus 1.992 times 0.55. Okay, and what I should get with that is 0.1676, and that would be the estimate for y when we have a value of x of 0.55.